One eternity later.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel after a long time. Today we are heading to Kaziranga. Right now it's around 1:55 a.m. morning, and by the way, Happy New Year to everyone. We will be heading to Kaziranga National Park. Actually the elephant ride starts from around 5:30, so in order to reach there we'll be traveling from here by 3 a.m. morning. So I'm going to dress up as soon as possible, and I'm done with my dressing up. Actually, one of our guests from who is Dr. Pramesh from Katin University, Australia. We're going to take him to the Kaziranga National Park, like from now. Now I have to call the taxi. Like he will be heading, he will be coming here soon by 10 minutes. Now it's almost 2:45. So we will be heading from here. 3, I will be associating with one of our junior from this is our hostel. Everyone is asleep. Right now I'm heading to the guest house. Here it's Niriviri. I'm cycling. It's somehow foggy also. National Park. It took around 1.5 hours. It's quite foggy here and also dark also. It's around 5:45 a.m. right now. Now we have started our elephant safari ride with Ramesh sir, and it's quite dark. Thankfully, I brought this selfie stick stand which allow me to capture a long-range video of our elephant ride. It was really amazing. I've never experienced this elephant ride before, but it was really amazing. We came here in a very steady mode so that we can see the animals properly. You can see the rhinoceros over here. Sorry, the we came in a troops in the very early morning to see this. The rhino is looking at us. See. Last time when I went to the safari ride through Jeep, I could see many groups of rhinoceros at a time. But when I come here in an elephant ride, I am not able to see that groups. But can see a small baby there running in the bushes, in the elephant grass. These are the deers.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
खींच 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 ऑटो खींच। क्या बात है?
मैं तो छोटा बच्चा हूँ।
Now we are heading up to the place where we came from. It's almost over. The ride is almost over. Finally, I have reached the university and I'm going back to my hostel now. And when I reached my hostel, I saw a friend of mine was looking for food.